Okay, folks, today is Monday, August the 5th. I'm going to start off a little differently. We're going to start off with the U.S. bond market. We're keeping a close eye on the U.S. bond market, specifically the U.S. 2-year yield and the U.S. 10-year yield. We have good reason to believe the U.S. 2-year yield is going to be higher than the U.S. 10-year yield sometime soon. So with that being the case, when that happens, expect a massive sell-off in the stock market, because that means that investors are panicking. That means that the outlook is not good for the economy from their point of view. So when the 2-year yield is higher than the 10-year yield for U.S. Treasuries, expect a massive sell-off in the stock market. Right now, the U.S. 2-year yield is a 1.611. U.S. 10-year yield is a 1.76. Within a week or a couple weeks, that could easily reverse and have the 2-year higher than the 10-year. But there's no telling what's going to happen. We just have to keep an eye on it. Let's see how the futures are doing. All right. So right now you see the Dow Jones, S&P 500, NASDAQ, small cap futures. They're all down at least 1.25%. The market opens in almost 2 hours. The reason why they're down so much is because China decided to retaliate on United States for raising their tariffs. So apparently China's going to increase some tariffs on the United States. So this has the potential to get really, really ugly, folks. So for now, we're just sitting back, enjoying the show. We're currently in 100% Putnam stable value. If this continues to get ugly, I'm going to be looking into changing it to some bonds so we can get a little bit of yield if this market starts selling off. Until then, we'll sit back, and wait for a bottom. Hopefully the bottom comes sometime soon. And then we'll jump back in to like your 2060 target dates or your hardware capitals and increase our gains going into the end of the year. But for now, I think the whole month of August is going to be brutal. So we're just mostly going to be sitting on the sidelines. From time to time, we might take up a small position to see if we can get a little bit of gains here and there, just so we don't get out of practice. But I have a feeling for the most part, most of August, we're just going to be sitting on the sidelines, watching everybody else lose money. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Later.